Let's organize my purse. This gum I found is supposed to help with energy and help you focus. Midol, ibuprofen, hangover relief. Okay, now we're just going to use the other side of the same pouch. Some Aquaphor Cutest Band-Aids, eye drops. I like being able to see everything I have. On to the next pouch. If you're sweating under your hot jugs, this is amazing. This actually stops your armpits from sweating. This is great if you anxiously sweat for no reason. And then I always carry deodorant wipes. This is just a face and hand wipe. Okay, so now we are just going to use the other side of the same pouch. This is just a wipe to freshen up your beaver. These are amazing if you have to blow up that public toilet. For me, this happens at Target. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving how this looks. Teeth wipes for after you eat, or they can prevent stains. Listerine strips. This toothbrush comes with toothpaste on it, and when you flip it around, it has floss. Mini Tic Tacs. Now we're going to flip it over. I bought these sriracha packets because literally anytime my food's gross, I just add sriracha and it makes everything better. I don't know why, but it's magic. Next, makeup wipes. They're also great for when you're crying in your car. You can just blow your nose into them. Love that for me. These Q-tips are pre-filled with eye makeup remover. They're actually game-changing. Really cute under eye patches for when I'm done crying. And this mini face roller. I literally scuff my shoes as soon as I walk out the door. Insect repellent. You also can't take me anywhere because I immediately spill something. I don't know why I'm like that. Nail polish remover. Extra floss. I love these containers it comes in. These are great for food, hair, you know. Okay, next. For when I finally start after 2 days of regret and panic. This one I just used for emergency cash. And this I just dedicated to my ponytail holders. I've been using portable heating pads for a long time, but I just found these really cute ones. These are shaped like a heart and they're great for that time of the month. Or if you hung out with him and you were like doing all the work for 2 minutes. These are tanning wipes and one wipe will tan my whole pasty body. You can use these wipes on your sunglasses or your phone or any device. Okay, this was so genius, but over here, this little card has scissors, tweezers, a nail file. This right here, oh crap, is a pen for writing. And this little thing's kind of sharp, so don't come for me. I'm gonna put that in a little card holder. And I love this little charge card to charge my phone. Everything will be listed under my purse and travel finds. Yeah, she's thick, but she's prepared.